know what to use to refer to this individual and crop of classless individuals that surrounded our Prime Minister. You heard one of them saying that I'm in Finland on Wednesday. Dear friends, do not be carried away by individuals that are filled with delusions. I mean, how do we even get here?
Hey, DPM, COS. I will tell you how we got here. Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick to share with you. One that's normally say shall never and see. If you now see the reason why they like to the day my own, I they like to the day my day, they will carry matter come meet me for here. And two things is about to do 19th. APM said Dr. Ngozi is going to Finland. He said Dr. Ngozi is going to Finland today, Wednesday. A lot of people were making this video. I said, no, me, I go first wait. Let me see if it's true that she is going to Finland. And if she got to Finland, there is no way she will not make videos. Finally, she don't make the video. I said, no, people were asking, oh, Dr. Ngozi, what are you going to do in Finland? Tell Biafrans. I say, what is going on? So Dr. Ngozi is going to Finland. Me, myself, I know here. I went to check her. I didn't see anything like that. I said, okay, let me just wait and see how this thing will go. A lot of people were saying, oh, your own is getting too much. Are you going to implicate Simon Ekpa in Finland? What are you going there to do? Are you going to do your unfinished job? A lot of videos were flying. People were sending me videos saying, Dr. Ngozi is going to Finland. Dr. Ngozi is going to Finland. I said, my brother, my sister, let us wait. If Dr. Ngozi go to Finland, we will know. Definitely, she must do video. Tell Biafrans where she is and the purpose of going there and what is happening there. They said, no, people. Even my comment section, they were commenting it. Do you know that the Ngozi is going to Finland? I said, no, let us wait. Finally, it's true. Dr. Ngozi has made video from Finland. Before then, let it not feel that I'm the one that is bringing this information. Let us first of all hear it from the horse's mouth. Then we will also hear from Dr. Ngozi that is now in Finland. And I'll be right back.
Now we identify Ngozi Orabeze as Judas Iscariot. Those that kiss their loved one a kiss of death. Those that betray their own. Ngozi Judas Iscariot. Please, fellow Biafrans, pick up your pen and paper. Number one, ask Ngozi Orabeze Judas Iscariot, what is she going to do in Finland on Wednesday, in 2 days? What mission? I know this will shock her. Not be juju be that. Ngozi Judas Iscariot Orabeze, what are you going to do in Finland in 2 days' time on Wednesday? Remember, our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, he have disassociated himself from you, Ngozi Orabeze. So why are you going to Finland? So that you can finish the unfinished job? Or are you disappointed? Biafran people, ask Ngozi Orabeze, what is she going to do in Finland? It will surprise her. How do we know about this? What we are doing is spiritual.
This matter, Dr. Seven Gele. The truth is, this thing, it really shocked Dr. Ngozi, honestly. The thing shocked her because she was thinking that she's in America. She never knew she traveled to Finland in the morning. That is on Wednesday morning. she was in Finland, but she was thinking, feeling herself, doing her job in America. She's not even aware that she's in Finland. So as I'm talking with you, Dr. Ngozi, she's a kind of confused because they say she is in Finland while she is at work. And she was like, I'm not even aware I'm in Finland. Now I don't even know where my body is. Am I in Finland or in America? In fact, it reached to shock person because by the time you are where you do not even know. It's just like she fly through the space. I don't really know. She just landed. They say, she there for inside Finland. She said she's confused. She don't even know where she is, whether she's in America or she's in Finland. She's not really sure. Anyway, even while she was driving, she didn't know if she's driving in Finland already or still in America. Anyways, as the situation lies right now, she don't even know her destination anymore. As I'm talking to you, she's looking for her location. And trust Progress, the analyst, Dr. Ngozi, I am the only one that can help you to locate your location. But at the end of this video, people will know your location. But before then, let us listen to her. If we can really guess her location, if she is in Finland or in America, then we can draw the curtain ourselves.
Dear friends, do not be carried away by individuals that are filled with delusions. I mean, how do we even get here? You see, people who are really, really crazy, parading themselves as fighting for Biafran. How did our leader Nnamdi Kanu really get away with this bunch of people? And how did our leader, our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, went through this hell with these crop of individuals that just make up something on their brain and start dishing it out to Biafrans? You all heard this. I don't even know what to use to refer to this individual and crop of classless individuals that surrounded our Prime Minister. You heard one of them saying that I'm in Finland on Wednesday. Biafrans, how do we get to this level? And I just begin to wonder where Biafra never came. I begin to wonder why Biafra never came. Because when you have deranged individuals parading themselves as the people that represent this struggle, it casts a lot of dent. So, dear friends, do not be moved. Do not worry. Do not let them distract what we are doing. We are really focused, and our eye is on the ball. The terrorist Nigeria state, these killings you are doing, we reintegrated and rehabilitated terrorists, killing our people, our mothers, raping our women and our children. We will defend ourselves. Thank you so much, Biafrans, and have a great day. Bye.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. So, I ask a question. Where is Dr. Ngozi? Is she in Finland or in America? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and I will be in the comment section with you. And if you know you haven't subscribed, subscribe and share our videos. Thank you, and bye for now.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been banned not to enter America. Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America. Hey! Oh, twere.
Some great, I read it on social media. It is no longer rumor or speculations or even propaganda. I see it. Nigeria has been banned, visa ban for Nigerians, especially the politicians. Visa ban for Britain because of the kind of policy they are playing. The British actually know that Nnamdi Kanu is their citizen. And they still turn their back on Kanu. They have not debated, they only debated it earlier. That was in 2021 about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration as one of their citizens with their passport. Today, they have not said anything because they collected bribe. America does not like any bribe country. Bribery and corruption countries religious madness and the psychopathy country, America does not give them visa. Look at the Arab world today. There was serious in the past visa ban placed on Iran, Iraq, and so on and so forth. Even Yemen, yes, Palestinian. Today, America living like that because those guys are religiously mad. Yes, they are mad over their own religion. America doesn't tolerate that kind of rubbish. Britain has found themselves in this mess because Nigeria is always supplying Britain with gas, oil, and other natural, resources. That's why America is looking at Britain as a country that has been infiltrated by the Arab, simply because of crude oil. So Britain is a begging, let me use the word, begging country. They are begging countries like Nigeria, Arab world, their crude oil, and America does not allow such policy. America doesn't want anybody that could at least contaminate their state, their system. Britain and America in the past were always the greatest allies. But today, I'm seeing a change that has actually shocked me. Today, I'm seeing Israel being the greatest ally of the USA today. Britain has gone down because very soon the Arab world, the Egyptians, the Saudi Arabia, and the rest of the Arab world are going to take over Britain. Because of what? Chop oil money, chop gas, chop, Britain, chop. They are beggarly country that has brought themselves down because of the kind of, level of embrace, how far they had gone to embrace the Arab. They are not being careful about it. I mean the British. So that's why they are included on the visa ban. And I'm just assuring everybody in Nigeria that the weakest, the Adamochomoles, the Tinubus, the aggrieved Kachima Chetimas, the Erufais, the Ababio Ukwewu, the rest of all the senators, at the Department of what? Legislature, they are all facing America visa ban. Why? Because of the kind of policy, the kind of public, how they manage, private institutions, public institutions in Nigeria, federal government, agencies, federal agencies, they are too disgruntled. That's why America is not showing pity at all. They violated the United States instructions never to rig election, never to attack civilians, unarmed civilians. What did they do? They turned their back on American instructions, began to pine all Southern youth, pine some youths at Igbo's compound. It is wrong. Pine youths that were not armed, dropping bomb at civilians, fortresses in Niger State, Katsina, saying we are mistaking them to be terrorists. They killed innocent people, bombing a whole village, mistaking them to herdsmen, headers. So they have committed lots and lots of heinous, hostilities against the youth, against Nigerian people, pretending as if they did not know. And here, visa ban has come. Tinubu, for how many years now in office, has never gone to New York or Washington. He only is always sending Chetima. And very soon, America will arrest Chetima. As I'm talking to you now, nobody knows whereabouts of Nyesom Wike. Wike seems to have been arrested by the FBI. I'm telling you, because nobody has ever been able to see Wike recently.
Maybe it's just to keep calm.
Anyways, the man I know that always on the social media platform, on the headline of media houses every month, every week. But today, we've not seen him. I think Wike is in. America is with Wike.
Guys, wonder shall never end. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been banned not to enter America. Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America. Hey! Oh, twege. See, I told you guys, for those of you who does not believe PK News, see, when I'm going to pay me homage, and they tell you, I'm visit me, now I like to talk. But anyways, let's go straight down to this news. US President Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because I will not say he banned Nigeria. He banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America again. I will read for you guys to hear what this man said. And at the same time, still playing you guys a video of Donald Trump to see what this man is saying. Bro, please share this video. Share this video. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, this is a disgrace. Fix your country. Because the way Donald Trump is driving you guys, like, sha, I don't want you guys. Fix your country for Christ's sake. All African leaders, fix your country. It's a disgrace to see how this man is chasing you guys out from his country. On the contrary, I'll play you guys a video of Donald Trump saying that he wants to be selling America green card to billionaire immigrants, like $5 million US. Now hear me right. $5 million US to get that green card, like it's a good card. You want to come and do business in America, you can come and get the card. Bro, this man made business in America. And you guys will know the reason why this man is doing what he's doing. I will tell you guys. But let's go straight down to this news now. I will read to see what this man said concerning Nigeria and the United Kingdom. Bro, Donald Trump, the man really meant business. And this is the kind of leader we want in Nigeria, that can fix Nigeria, stand their ground, make things work in Nigeria. I read, please share the video, please. Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America again. His OT law is closed. He said, US exclude UK, Nigeria, other Africa countries from visa-free entry from 2025. Exclude, oh, get me? Just hear it well. Not include, exclude. Exclude UK, Nigeria, and other Africa countries from 2025 visa free. He not includes them, he excludes them out. That is to tell you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America. Be you the select president of Nigeria. Even our African leaders cannot enter America. Let me continue. He said, the United States of America has released a list of eligible countries for its 2025 visa waiver program. The United States government has officially released its 2025 visa waiver program list, with Nigeria and other African nations completely excluded amid President Donald Trump mass deportation. The United States of America has released a list of eligible countries for its 2025 visa waiver program. The United States government has officially released its 2025 visa waiver program list, with Nigeria and other African nations completely excluded amid President Donald Trump mass deportation. Major US allies like the United Kingdom were also left out, although British citizens remain eligible under specific conditions. According to the US Bureau of Consular Affairs website, the visa waiver program allows most citizens or nationals of participating countries to travel to the United States for tourism or business for up to 90 days without obtaining a visa. The agency stated travelers must have a valid electronic system for travel authorization approval prior to travel and meet all requirements explained below. If you prefer to have a visa in your passport, you may still apply for a visitor visa. The visa waiver program allows travelers from eligible countries to visit the United States without a visa for up to 90 days for tourism or business purpose. Instead of going through a lengthy visa process, eligible individual can apply for an electronic system for travel authorization before departure. You guys heard. The countries that is eligible, that's visa free, they can go to America without visa. I will put it here for you guys to see these countries. UK is not inside. UK is not inside. Even Romanians, they are inside. Bro, Germany is inside. Germany is, you don't need to apply for visa before you go to America. But you see, Africa, bro. See, they were excluded. They cannot enter America. Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America. And let me just play you guys this video now. Hear what Donald Trump said. If you know you want to come to America, you need America documents. Like you need America document. You have to pay $5 million. Watch this video, then you will know that this man really meant business. Like, he is telling all these billionaires that want to do business in America. And you guys know the reason why Donald Trump is doing this? Because of what Joe Biden did in America. Joe Biden really crippled America economy. He crippled the economy. Watch this video. Hear what this man is saying.
We're going to be doing something else that's going to be very, very good. We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card. This is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges plus. It's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful. Never been done before or anything like this, but it's something that we're going to be putting out over the next, would you say 2 weeks, Howard? Do you want to say a couple of words about it?
Sure.
Mr. President, are there
Wait a minute.
requirements for that gold
Hang on a
card? Do you have to invest a certain amount of money in this country in order to qualify for that gold card? Yeah, exactly.
So the EB-5 program was really, you lend some money, but it was full of nonsense, make-believe, and fraud, and it was a way to get a green card that was low priced. So the president said, rather than having this sort of ridiculous EB-5 program, we're going to end the EB-5 program. We're going to replace it with the Trump Gold Card, which is really a green card gold. So they'll be able to pay $5 million to the U.S. government. They'll have to go through vetting, of course. We're going to make sure they're wonderful, world-class global citizens. They can come to America. The president can give them a green card, and they can invest in America, and we can use that money to reduce our deficit. Why do we give out lotteries of green cards? Why do we give out EB-5 for green cards? The President of the United States understands that the right answer is, why don't we eliminate the deficit of the United States of America instead?
Okay, guys, you listen to this video, you watch what happened on this video now. After I watched this video, I went to the comment section, I like to read some comments. And I saw some people are saying, oh, Donald Trump is selling our document. Donald Trump is this, Donald Trump is that. Oh, what is Donald Trump doing? Then I saw somebody said, do you guys know what Joe Biden has done in America? Do you guys know the kind of debts Joe Biden put in America? Do you guys know how Joe Biden fraud America? If you listen to this video, you will hear fraud. Why? Because Joe Biden said he want to use also millions of dollars in Africa. He want to do this. They are cheaping money, but all this money in his bank, in his pocket. So Donald Trump now, what this man is doing now, if you know you are rich, you have money, like you guys know Donald Trump is a businessman. So he is doing all these things so that all these billionaire businessmen can come to America and buy the green card, $5 million US, but that money big show. $5 million US, then you can do your business in America and you have your stay in America, equivalent to the green card, but this one is Trump Gold Card. So this man wants to make America economic grow again. The GDP will high again. Everything will stand strong again. That's what Donald Trump is doing. He's a businessman, like you guys know. The man is a businessman. So, you see our African leaders, they don't have this kind of idea, brain. Their own is to loot, chop, spend, spoil. You see how this man wants to get money back into his country. Yeah. I know it's going to affect some people. Even now, it's affecting other African countries, like, excluding UK, Nigeria, and other African countries, not to, get visa free. Is a letdown. Although Nigeria, like other African countries, they don't get visa free before, but this time, if you apply, no level, because they are not on the list. They are not on the list. So automatically, Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America again. If you want to enter, then she do you go to enter. Do the way they still do so. Get the business card. Get the business card. $5 million US. You get money now. $5 million US is a cheeky change. It's a cheeky change. You have that kind of money. But it's a disgrace to see how this man is doing you guys pumping. Leaders, Africa leaders, stand your ground. But as for the UK, you see that UK and America, they have banana, they have issue that Donald Trump got to exclude them out from the 2025 visa-free entries. Although UK citizenship is still valid, but before you come in, like he said, you stamp visa inside. No visa-free. Like Germany have visa-free, Italy visa-free, France visa-free, Belgium, Spain, all these countries they have. If you have their passport, it's visa-free. You can just buy ticket straight down to America. That's it. Bro, this guy, he mean business. But my country is what I'm talking about now. Nigerians, fix your country. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, fix your country. Fix your country. It's a shame. It's a disgrace. Fix your country, Bola Ahmed Tinubu.